Alright guys, so today we're going to be making a high performance intake with an asterisk. We're going to be maybe running double air filter. You know, cleaner air is faster air. I mean, everyone knows that. Right? Yeah, cleaner is faster air. So we're going to be doing that. And we're going to run it straight through the headlight. You know, got to get the coldest air possible for the most horsepower, right? This car isn't going to be beating Civics if it's got no air. I mean, we're choking it right now, so we got to...
That's kinky.
Right. You like how it moves?
Yeah.
You like my work there?
Nice and wiggly.
I know.
Wiggly like a wiener.
All right. I think that's a pretty good baseline. All right, let's get to work. Okay, good thing I lost half these screws, so there's not much to take out there. Ooh, first try.
I'll take off. Weight reduction. That's what
weight
that is.
reduction. Yeah. Hey, a couple screws here and there.
Oh shoot. Dude.
Extra parts is extra credit. Everyone knows that.
Give 3/8 cents ratchet.
Don't tell me that's not.
Oh, idiot.
Oh, okay. Well, we pulled another retard, so we're gonna.
Guess we're gonna have to take that second trip faster than we thought. Wait.
I'll keep working on. Oh well, but yeah.
That's a big brain move right there.
Shane.
You're gonna watch me pull my thumb.
Yeah, Shane work.
Dude, there's still a lot of lube in there.
You like it?
Oh no.
What is that?
How the frick did you lose them already?
Did you take flash?
It's like Bubbles and Ricky trying to fix a car. Speaking of Bubbles.
Alright guys, so we're taking the first trip a little earlier than expected.
Quick intermission, you know, no biggie.
Oh yeah. Alright, well, to be honest, I didn't say that we weren't in the special needs classes, so...
We're definitely on the spectrum.
Somewhere.
Oh, there's a duck.
Oh, wait, is that a duck?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Oh man, look at that dumpy.
Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that dump truck moving, bro.
They should show Addison Ray how to do it.
Oh yeah.
That
smells
right
like
there,
freedom.
You take that cap off and you stick your PP in there, but you got to make sure you have your truck on it because you don't want your PP to get cold.
Oh yeah. Well, yeah, that's how you warm it.
Yeah.
Everyone knows that's how you warm it.
We're committing suicide every episode.
The next Danny Duncan.
Today's episode of How to Kill Yourself Like a Boss. I don't know. White car out there in the field, man. There's probably a reason it's out there.
Look at that. Look at that thing. He's got his hood open. What is he doing over
Probably
there?
broke down or something. Typical Volkswagen.
I know. Maybe he's running his air filter through his headlight.
Maybe.
I mean, that's something I hear. You know.
Probably some big racer.
Yeah.
Stevenson.
What? Oh sh.
Yeah.
If you accidentally hit a deer,
Yeah.
could you legally take that and get it butchered and processed?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah.
You cannot screw it. However, I learned that one the hard way.
Yeah. Hard.
Hard.
Emphasis on hard. That way it just sits on top of it.
Haters will say it's rice.
Man, them Honda Civic owners are getting real mad right now.
We don't have to. I mean, I have other straps too. If you can just get it off. it's like a grenade that you pulled the pin out of.
I was so scared to smack my fingers.
Does this thing come off this? Bro, we can put this on the end of it then.
Dude, wait. You gotta ready?
Oh yeah.
Dude.
Oh, bro. Here it looks like a turbo. Yeah.
Man, Honda Civic owners wouldn't know the difference. They think that just does much as the hell? They think that does just as much horsepower as a turbo. There we go.
Wait, they don't?
No, they do. They think They think that actually is a turbo.
Yeah, that is a turbo.
Oh,
This-
shit, yeah, you're right. My bad.
Okay, I was a little concerned there. I'm like, are you a dumbass? This is literally a turbo. All right, guys, there he
See that
goes.
exposed intercooler there? That's what that's for. You got a big, got a nice big turbo. Your intercooler here, you know, goes through these pipes into the engine, and then into the intercooler, and then into the engine again.
Oh my gosh.
She will go.
All right, let's see if this.
Imagine if we went into town like this.
Dude, we should.
Oh my God, no! I'm not gonna risk my hood
You'd
getting.
probably get pulled over.
Hey boys, time for another sound test. We got 2 air filters on.
See if she gives that good whoosh whoosh.
Watch this fuck up my car.
He sucks in the filter. Kinda hear it.
Yeah, a little bit, a little bit.
So good.
Now that right there is a cold air intake, boys. That is how you build a cold air intake.
That's mint.
So we just turned a what, 220 horsepower car into like a
500.
500?
500. And just chop it to it.
Oh, man.
I'm just glad I didn't run over my intake, like my actual one.
Oh, wait, did it squash? I saw a little squash part on it.
Right there.
Oh,
It's fine. It'll buff out.
Seatbelt cutter?
No, I don't even know what the hell it is.
all right. Well, we had our fun for the day.
No.
All right, so we successfully built the world's highest performance intake.
Coldest cold air intake you can get.
Oh, yeah. Formula One approved. So now that we're done, you know, make sure that you leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. And all right, see you guys.
Mm.